Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is a quick tutorial of Faux Calligraphy. This is the funny and easy way to do calligraphy. So here I am writing some letters. Then first you want to identify the downstrokes and the upstrokes. So all the upstrokes are gonna be thin and all the downstrokes are going to be thick. So you want to fill in the thick downstrokes. So here I'm showing you one more example. Practice it regularly and try it out with more examples. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.